Today we are going to be constructing a triangle, and this time we are given the length of two sides and the included angle as shown here, right? So we have points A, B and C, and it says let included angle ABC be 45. So ABC, noting that the angle is normally stated based on the letter in the middle, which is 45 degrees at this point, at this vertex, right? And it gives the measurement of BA and BC being 80 and 104 respectively. So BA is 80 and BC is 104. So let's start by selecting our line command and drawing our first line BC. Turn on author mode, and I'm going to type in 104 units, enter, and press escape. Now we have our line BC. We need to construct this 90-degree angle, and I've done that in other videos, but I'm going to go over again. We'll select center, start, end. From point B is our center, and let me just turn off author mode, and I'm going to use a radius of 20, enter, as a convenient radius, and scribe my semicircle. I'm going to repeat the R command, and I'm going to use intersection and ensure that intersection is on in your object snap right here, right? And I'm going to type in the same radius of 20 units, enter. Automatically it's scribing the arc anti-clockwise. If we want it to go clockwise, all we have to do is hold down the control key and AutoCAD will scribe that arc in the opposite direction. So we'll release and allow our arc to snap there, and we'll repeat that step one more time. So from here, 20, enter, and we scribe our arc there, and we repeat to get this point up here. So two arcs from this intersection and this intersection. So one here. We could have the same radius of 20, but I'll just use 30 this time. And let me palm down, and I snap there, and the radius have to be equal from these 2 points, so I have to use 30 again here to get that intersection accurately. Then we go to line, and from point B we are able to draw to that intersection. I'll just press enter. If you want, select the line. To lengthen the line, you go to lengthen and you just pull it in the direction, just for technical drawing principles. Now this is our 90-degree angle, and to bisect these two lines, or this angle of 90 degree into 45, we need to scribe arcs from this intersection here and from here where the arc meet both arms. So we are going to go to arc, and I'll use a radius of 30, and I'll just scribe my arc, and I'll repeat again from this point, 30, and all we need to do is to draw a line from the vertex through that intersection, and we know that that point is 80, so I'll hold the mouse there, type in 80 units, press enter. The line command is still on, so I'm able to close it at point C, and that's our required triangle. Again, I encourage you to highlight or to bold the finished diagram, and I'm using point 6 as my outline. So if you want, we could check the dimensions real quickly, including the 45-degree angle if it's done properly. Linear would give us the dimension of this horizontal line, and then we'll go to angular dimension by clicking the drop down and go to align, and we'll click this line and this point on that line, and that's 80. Now for the dimension of the angle, we go to angular, and we'll just select both lines just to check real quickly and see we have our 45-degree angle. So this is the correct construction procedures. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped.